Moving over to the charts, starting off with the S&Ps here, you can see on the daily chart, we did get a nice push, about 2%. We're coming up to that trend line in the after hours. We already touched it, momentum bullish, RSI right at the 50 line. If this is going to downtrend, RSI 50 is one of those indicators that you really want to watch for. You can see it back here mid-March. We hit RSI of 49.2, RSI 50. 0.15, and then the next day, big sell, big sell, big sell, continuation lower, and we had not touched 50 again. We got close on April 9th to a 47.9. We're close again here at a 51, and we are at it again at a 51.58. Is this going to be the zone of rejection? Remains to be seen. This is pretty much where we rejected last time too. You can see we got above the 21, just above the 200 there when we were there, and then we did reject down. So that's kind of where we're at here again. Structurally very similar with the low, higher, low setup. Nice little push there, and then we'll see if we get that follow through to the downside or not. And then throwing on those short-term levels here, you can see we did go right to the trend line, added that trend line here today, which is really just marking these perfect tops here, very, very close to that zone. Right at the 550.12 level. We said that was the next level if we got above 540.90. Those levels were on there yesterday. We were watching this one here. Nice little breakout. Went almost to the next one. Got back above this level early in the session. Pretty decent dip in the pre-market down to that 531 area. Nice little opportunity there. And now you can see overbought conditions on the daily chart. Critical zone here. Watching this zone closely. It's already pretty extended for sure. In the short term, definitely extended. And we're in a critical zone. So if we get through here, I would expect some kind of pullback. How much of a pullback? Something like this would be fine. Maybe even back to the 540 area, hold this level, and then continue higher if it's going to do it. Otherwise, if this is truly a zone of resistance the way that it was here, and we do pull back to that lower trend, you can see this move here. That was about 6%. If we do get a pullback from current price back to that trend, that's about another 5.5% from current. So we'll see. Something to watch for. Critical zone tomorrow.